Stand up now.
No.
Man, you're going to be under arrest.
All right, look at the purse.
So you don't have a ticket?
I have a ticket, but it's for a later.
Okay.
And I wanted to get onto it earlier when I'm trying to change it, but won't let me change it.
Yeah. So you tried to get on a plane? She's not.
Jimbo's Fisher's kid's like the last one to get on.
Yeah.
Thank you for your cooperation.
I know these officers are super officers and been super nice to you. All right.
I would like to leave, and you're not letting me leave. That seems very illegal to me. And you're cops. You shouldn't be doing this. You cannot hold a person against their will. You can't tell them they can't do. It's like you're just trying to trap me or something. What are you trying to do?
No. You got it?
On January 4th, 2025, Tallahassee Airport Police responded to a passenger who attempted to board an American Airlines flight without an authorized boarding pass. She held a valid ticket for a later flight, but had physically entered the jet bridge without authorization and was removed by gate staff. This case raises three distinct legal questions: the lawfulness of the detention Florida's identification requirement during a Terry stop, and criminal exposure under airport trespass law.
How you doing? Okay? What's going on?
I have a flight for this evening, but I'm trying to check into an earlier one, the same place. But the system's not working. I can't.
What did the ticket agent got to tell you?
Well, I tried to tell him.
So you don't have a ticket?
I have a ticket, but it's for a later.
Okay.
And I wanted to get onto it earlier when I'm trying to change it, but won't let me change it.
Yeah. So you tried to get on a plane?
Yeah.
Okay. You got to have a ticket for that flight, though, right? That's my understanding. Okay. Why he wouldn't help you? Okay. Let me see what your phone's not working. What's it saying? This is your ticket. This is your current ticket?
My current ticket.
Oh, you canceled it. Okay. Yeah, I'm not.
Trying to go into this one.
Yeah, this is probably already booked, but you got to go through them. You can't do it on the
It's
app.
not canceled. It's right here.
Oh, you still have it. Okay. What
Just
time?
trying to change it to an earlier.
Okay. Because they have flights all day, you know.
You're not allowed to go right now.
Yeah, just sit down.
Okay,
We're
you
trying to
can
work.
sit down.
We're trying to work this out.
You're not allowed to leave.
We don't know what happened. They said you tried to get on a plane. You didn't have a ticket. Is that a big deal? It can be, but we don't want it to be. So, just relax. You're not in trouble. We got to figure out what we're going to do, though, right? And up to us, up to the airport. We're just cops that work at the airport, okay? Work with us a little bit, though. A little bit of cooperation will go a long way,
If
okay?
you're able to tell us exactly what's going on and help us help you, okay?
Well, she said she wanted to get on the earlier flight, but there was some issues with booking, and
Yeah, but
he
you
wasn't
can't just jump on a flight.
right. You just can't open the door and run on a plane, because that would be bad. That's like trespassing, you know.
So, do you have any identification on
All I
you?
wanted to do was change my flight from, it's the same flight,
Yeah.
same place.
Same
But I'm
place.
changing it from a later time to an earlier time, but the system is not letting me do it.
Okay. So then it probably means you're not able to do it, which means you're not going to be able to fly early.
Yeah, you couldn't get on this
What's
flight.
wrong with the system?
Yeah, you couldn't get on this flight because it's probably already booked, and
In full.
you didn't have the boarding pass for this flight. So that would have been. That's okay because they can redo it. They can redo it right here and assist you with that.
I would like to go on this flight.
But
But
you can't.
that one's already done. That one's gone.
It's
You know.
full. There's no room for you.
Yeah, it's already loaded up.
Which is probably why he didn't get
Right.
you on that.
Yeah.
Excuse me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Why those guys are taking off? Is it too late?
So
The agent wasn't here. It's probably too late. What time were they already boarded?
They boarded, but my flight doesn't leave till 7:07.
Yeah, well, it's past. There's a cutoff time, like 15 minutes cutoff time. So it's like at 6:58. So you're past the cutoff time. Somebody will be back here in a minute. If not, you can go up front and go talk to the ticket agent and rebook. I'm not sure. We got this other thing, but he was just here. He may be coming back in a minute. The American agent. Like I said, boarding ends 15 minutes before departure, so you kind of missed it because of the line of TSA. So you probably got to rebook. But just hang out, and somebody will be here in a second. If not, go back out, and go back to the ticket.
Can I have someone help me, please? Because they won't let me leave the airport.
Yeah.
They won't let me get on a flight. They won't let me leave. And what are you doing?
what did you just try to do?
get on the flight.
Okay, that you're not allowed to be
But you
on.
guys are not letting me change the flight and get on the flight. I just
She's got a question over here too, but it's something unrelated. What are we doing? Sergeant, look at the video. What's her name?
I don't know.
You got anything? She said she had a later flight. We can check.
I see that
You're not.
That's not an ID.
black or whatever.
You want to come
I'm sure
on?
that's not-
I'm going to leave.
Jordan.
No, you're not.
You cannot do that.
Okay, let's
Here, he can now explain something.
yeah. Show them your ticket stuff.
Just no, I don't trust you. I don't trust any of you.
Okay,
Just
that's all right.
give me my bag.
We're
You're
being-
not leaving
This
right
is
now.
not your bag.
We're
This
recording.
is my bag. You need to let go.
You're not leaving.
I'm gonna call someone because this is not right.
Okay.
Passengers are advised not to leave baggage unattended at any time.
You don't have the information at
Control
all.
closely all
No,
personal
because I couldn't see her
belongings
ID.
and carry-on
Okay.
items.
Can you show him your ID, man?
Cooperation.
Would you want to show him your ID?
He's gonna maybe try to help you.
I'm gonna go to
First
primary.
up, what are you wanting done with her? Are you filing
Because I
anything?
don't, I mean, I guess
Because-
because I don't know her, she was trying to get on my aircraft, so that's a big
Are you
issue.
allowing her to fly on another?
The person, I don't know what's going on.
Did she pull the door, walk on a jet bridge? What happened?
I had the door open, I
Nice.
was finishing boarding,
Alright.
and I did my final boarding, she went down, I was like, man, your boarding pass. She didn't show me anything, she was like, oh, look at
Did
this.
she get on the jet bridge?
So I tell her, hey, what is your name? So I looked the people that was missing, she was not in
I'm
there.
at A5.
And she said, I'm on the later flight. I want to get on this one. I was like, man, you cannot do that. I mean, you have to have a ticket for this flight. Then
There was some.
she sit down.
Okay.
She's in normal.
Okay.
And at some point
But then
she
she tried to
started.
force her way on.
Yeah, she went down. And
How
I
far-
grabbed her quick before
How far
she
did she get? No, you can just tell me.
Because I'm sitting with.
I'm on Charlie. We're gonna
Yeah,
cancel
mine's
this now.
on too,
We're gonna
yeah.
call this
So
now.
let me recreate it.
Okay, so-
basically she went down
Right
there,
here?
and I grabbed her really quick, like say,
Okay.
man, no, you cannot go,
Okay,
please.
and that was
she
it?
didn't resist or
And
anything.
sat down.
But I mean,
Okay.
that,
You close the door.
that made me feel like that was not right.
So Brian says. Brian, the ticket agent, Brian Guerrero. He said she's sitting. The door's open. He's the last people that boarded. She said, I'm trying to get on the flight. He said, sorry, man, you can't go. She sat down. He was dealing with something. She got up and tried to go, and she actually entered the jet bridge.
Yeah.
He said, no, no, no. She made it like 3 or 4 steps in and pushed her back.
Where did he go?
He's right there. Oh, I got his information.
Oh, well, the videos, it looks like from the video,
She's not.
Jimbo's Fisher's kid's like the last one to get on.
Yeah.
He closes the door, and then it looks like he's probably making the final boarding call. Probably like a minute, he lets Jimbo's Fisher's kid on, shuts the door. Like a minute later, I assume he's making the last call. She starts walking up, and he opens the door, like inviting her in the door, and then he kind of stops her. And I'm assuming he's like, I need a boarding pass. And she shows the phone, and I think he's pointing to the scanner.
Yeah.
And she scans, and something went wrong. So it looks like he pointed for her to sit. The door wide open, he pulled the manifest. And then she just, while he was screwing with the manifest, probably getting ready to give it to
Tried
the
to walk
captain.
on.
She tried to walk on, and he jumped in front of her and kind of struggled. She resisted a little bit because she put her hand like,
So were you at TPW or at BA 52? She's not cooperating. She won't give us her name. She called 911. She
I
is
think she's got to go to jail.
okay.
Yeah, she's got to go to jail.
Okay. No, she said she had one for a later flight today, but she wanted to get on this flight, and she tried to rebook. But we're almost at 10:15.
What are you waiting on? What did he say?
Video's pretty conclusive that she tried to get on when he was busy. He thought she tried to scan, but didn't work. He started looking at manifest. She tried to run on a plane. He had to physically restrain her to get on.
The encounter began as a consensual contact, the lowest threshold under the Fourth Amendment. No suspicion is required, and either party may walk away. That changed the moment officers stated the passenger was not free to leave. Under Terry v. Ohio 1968, police may conduct a brief investigatory stop when they possess reasonable articulable suspicion of criminal activity. The airline gate agents firsthand report that this passenger had physically entered the jet bridge without authorization and resisted removal provided exactly that foundation. The detention was legally sound from the moment it was invoked. The officers then requested identification. Florida has no universal stop and identify statute. However, the Supreme Court in Hiibel v. 6th Judicial District Court 2004 held that states may require a suspect to identify themselves during a lawful Terry stop without violating the Fifth Amendment. Under Florida Statute 843.02, refusing that identification can constitute obstruction of a lawful investigation, a first-degree misdemeanor. The passenger's sustained refusal across 11 minutes was not a protected constitutional right. It was the direct cause of her arrest. Under Rodriguez v. United States 2015, a Terry stop must last only as long as necessary to confirm or dispel suspicion. Identification would have accomplished that in seconds. The passenger's non-compliance converted a routine 2-minute verification into a prolonged detention and extended the very encounter she was claiming was unlawful. On the trespass question, Florida Statute 810.09 subsection 2 E-Cert defines trespass in the operational areas of an airport as a distinct criminal offense. Operational areas include jetways, ramps, and aircraft parking zones restricted from public access by fencing or signage. Entering without authorization, regardless of intent, triggers criminal liability. Where trespass carries the additional element of impeding aircraft operations, the charge elevates to a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years imprisonment. The gate agent's verbal denial constituted actual notice under the statute.
37? Probably. We'll wait and see. He's going to make the call.
But she hasn't given her name or
No,
anything?
she's refusing. She's kind of like not talking.
I'm going to try talking.
Go ahead.
Good. I'm sure I can go at her. She was very nice in the beginning.
She was trying to get up and go, but I told her she's.
Then she called 911, so
Okay.
Yeah.
we'll stand
I
there.
told her she's not free to
They
go.
sent the call to us, so
Passengers
that kind of
are
makes sense.
So we're trying to help you here. All right, you got yourself in a pickle. If you want to talk to us, the pickle might be able to get better. If not, it's not going to get any better. So can we start with your ID, your phone, something?
not to leave baggage
I just would like to leave the airport.
Okay, you're not free to leave until we identify you to start with.
Thank you for your cooperation.
I know these officers are super officers and been super nice to you. All right.
They've
So
been
let's start
very
with
nice.
producing
But
some.
my thing is, why are you not allowing me to leave? Or I can't go on a flight. I can't leave. I can't do anything.
You're not free to go
Why am I not free to go? What did I do
because you're
wrong?
being detained right now
Why would I be detained?
because you went through that door without permission.
I'm just trying to get on a flight, an earlier flight. The system is not working. So I asked him. He wouldn't
well,
help
let's
me.
see your boarding pass
so I'm
on
trying
your
to go
phone.
under, and I'm not going to give that to you because I do not trust you.
Okay.
I would like to leave, and you're not letting me leave. That seems very illegal to me. And you're cops. You shouldn't be doing this. You cannot hold a person against their will. You can't tell them they can't do. It's like you're just trying to trap me or something. What are you trying to do?
Well, I'll back off you a little bit, but no, we need to identify you with the driver's license or some type of ID
If you're
card,
trying
passport.
to de-escalate a situation, and I'm telling you, I'm just gonna leave and I'll find my own way, a different way, because I don't know what's going on in this airport. I've been here before. I had a suitcase here, and some things happened here, and I do not trust the airport. But I tried again, and it's another thing. So I just would like to leave, and I don't want to deal with this anymore. And everything that you guys are doing right now, it just.
You understand
does
the
not-
reason you're
it's
not
very
allowed to
wrong.
leave is because you committed what's called a crime. When you tried to force
I just
your way
tried
onto
to
that,
go on a
No,
flight.
ma'am. And yes,
I have a ticket.
You tried to do
The
something
system
that
is
you're
not
not
letting
allowed
me
to
go
do
on the flight.
because it's not for this flight.
Okay, but I have a ticket. I said I was.
You said you had a ticket. You've not shown that to anyone.
Look, I watched the video. What did the gentleman tell you when you were getting ready to get on? Then he stopped you, and then you had to scan your phone. He looked at your phone, and then he said no. What did he tell you? Stand up now.
No.
Ma'am, you're going to be under arrest.
All right, look over first.
No.
You gotta pull it up a little bit.
You got it? All right. Bring that one around. Just go on to the back.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's what the-
Sit down. We're good.
You can hold on to it. That's fine.
No. Stop.
Let's just take it
Give me my
off.
property. Do not do that. Do not do that.
Stop. Let's go.
Why are you arresting me just for going on a flight or trying to
We
go on
tried
a
to
flight?
explain it to you,
Let
ma'am.
go.
Come on, stand up. We
Take the
can
cuffs
walk.
off. and I didn't do
Stand up.
anything
Well, let's go
wrong.
walk over
Well,
here.
let's get out of here.
No.
Yeah, we're gonna go. Come on.
Yeah, I'll get a chair.
All right, no, we don't need a chair. She's gonna walk. Come
You're
on.
gonna walk?
I got your person. You gotta explain yourself. You don't understand what you're saying.
But I'm sure her purse is in there for ID.
Can I hold my bag?
We're gonna just gonna go with you.
Do you unhook those things or?
Yeah,
Here, let me hold this while you sit there.
we'll give it back to you.
You gotta sit down.
We're gonna give it back to you.
Good? All right, I'll tell Mike you're transporting if you switch it over.
Regarding use of force, officers employed a progressive model verbal command sustained de-escalation, then control holds and handcuffing. No strikes impact weapons. OIC spray or taser were deployed. Under Graham versus Connor, 1989 force must be objectively reasonable from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision. Given active noncompliance and prior physical resistance at the jet bridge, the force applied meets that standard. At the time of this analysis, the outcome of any criminal proceedings remains unknown. No public court records or news coverage of this incident have been identified. Based on the legal record, potential charges include trespass in an operational area of an airport under Florida Statute 8:10.09 and obstruction under Florida Statute 8:43.02. Airport police officers receive a B+. The detention was constitutionally grounded, de-escalation was sustained, and professional and force remained at the minimum necessary level throughout. The reduction reflects the 11-minute window before arrest consequences were clearly articulated. Earlier formal warnings stating explicitly that refusal to identify would result in arrest would have shortened the encounter and strengthened legal defensibility. The passenger receives a D. Her frustration was understandable, and her prior negative experience at this airport was real. However, entering a restricted operational area without authorization created criminal exposure. Refusing identification during a lawful Terry stop directly caused her arrest. Cooperation even under protest would almost certainly have produced a citation at most. Perception of injustice does not supersede the obligation to comply with the lawful detention. The Tallahassee Airport Police Department receives an A-. Body camera usage, coordinated response, and constitutional awareness were all evident. The minor reduction reflects the absence of a clear protocol for transitioning from de-escalation to formal arrest warning in a timely and legally explicit manner. 3 key takeaways from this incident. For passengers entering any restricted airport zone without authorization, triggers mandatory security protocols regardless of intent. If detained, providing identification is the fastest path to resolution. For officers, clear and timely articulation of arrest consequences gives a subject an informed choice and shortens volatile encounters. De-escalation has a threshold, and recognizing when that threshold is reached is itself a trained skill. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.